I'll imagine a world made of diamonds, where no one would care how they shine. I'll imagine we all were blind, where no one would stare at anyone's behind. I'll imagine anything. Doesn't matter what it is when I do. I know you will too. I'll imagine the hills are all rainbows, and cars are like shooting stars and all painted gold. I'll imagine we never get old. No, but we choose when we want to lose, give up and fold. I'll imagine anything. Doesn't matter what it is when I do. I know you will too. Cakes for snowflakes.
Imagine that.
Brains all made of glue.
Imagine that.
Trains with no brakes to keep them from rolling through. Now you wanna try some? Bones for cell phones.
Imagine that.
A nose on every shoe. Imagine that.
Oh, so well sewn, they never would tear, they're forever new.
Ooh,
I'll
imagine anything.
Though, that I read in a book.
Oh, look, it doesn't matter what it is when you do. Together we'll bloom.
Doesn't matter from who.
Whom?
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter but who.